Hey there, welcome to the Digital Strategist, where we simplify digital marketing so that you can grow your brand or business online. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss an update. Today, we're answering the big question: what is digital marketing? Whether you're a business owner, aspiring marketer, or just curious, this guide will break it down in a simple and actionable way. So let's get started. We'll start by understanding what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the promotion of products, services, or brands using the internet and digital channels. Unlike traditional marketing, think of TV ads, or billboards, or newspapers. Digital marketing happens online, allowing businesses to reach their goals and audience. This includes social media marketing, search engine optimization. Okay, when you talk of social media marketing, we have the Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. We have search engine optimization, we have email marketing, we have content marketing, that is blogs, videos, and podcasts, pay-per-click advertising, and affiliate and influencer marketing. The best part is you can measure your results in real time. The second part of understanding digital marketing, we're going to talk about why digital marketing matters. In today's world, there is over 5 billion people using the internet. This means your audience is online right now and searching for products and services just like yours. So benefits of digital marketing: it's cost effective, it's more cheaper than the traditional ads, it's highly targeted. As I said earlier, we have over 5 billion users on the internet. So most of your target audience, to be able to reach the right people, you have to go online. Another advantage of why digital marketing matters, it's the engagement and the interaction. So you're able to build relationships, and you can also be able to measure results and track your success. So it's much easier to scale your business on the internet. Another part of digital marketing that we're going to look at is how to get started in digital marketing. And starting in digital marketing, it's not so complicated. It's just a few steps, three steps to get started. The first step is for you to be able to define your goals. Do you want more sales? Do you want to build awareness? Do you want to build website traffic? You have to set your goals clear. The second point is to choose the right platforms. Not every platform works for everyone. You have to pick the right ones based on your audience and your needs. The third one and the last one is create valuable content. Normally in digital marketing, we always say that content is king. So if you're writing blogs, if you're designing posts, and if you're making videos, you should make videos or create blogs that are going to help your audience, that are going to solve their problems. And another thing, consistency is key. So that is digital marketing in a nutshell. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What part of digital marketing excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing online. See you in the next video.